Hello, welcome to Mental Matrix with EJD. In this video, I'll be talking about sum of two squares. Now, how do you handle sum of two squares? Normally, sum of two squares cannot be factorized like difference of two squares. But then there is something we can do about it. If you look at a squared plus b squared, for instance, you will discover that it can actually be expressed as a plus b all squared minus 2ab. That's like the first a and the b all squared minus 2ab. Because normally, if you expand this part, right, we already know from what we used to know, what we did. So this is more like a check, right? Just check. So if you check this here, you know that a squared plus a plus b all squared is like a squared plus 2 times a times it has 2ab plus b squared minus 2ab. So by doing this, 2ab cancels 2ab. So you finally have a squared plus b squared. So you see, it's actually correct. That's like a check on that right there. All right. So let's go ahead and apply the same idea to the next one. So imagine that you have a x plus y squared, and we're talking about sum of two squares. So it means we are assuming that x is actually a square. So if x is a square, that means that root of x, we can express that as root of x squared plus y squared. So if you want to write it in terms of what we have, so that will simply be square root of root x plus y all squared minus 2 root x times y outside like that. And then that is what we're going to have. Okay. So the next thing is 4p squared plus 289r squared. Now, can we deal with that? Let's see. Here you have that to be 2p all squared plus 289 is 17 times 17. That's 17r all squared. So if we want to express it in terms of what we are doing here, so that would just be 2p plus 17, 2p plus 17r squared minus 2 times 2p into 17r. So that means you simply have 2p plus 17r all squared minus 2 times 17 is 34 times 2, that's 68. That's 68 PR. So that's the same way to have that. Sometimes this may be necessary. This expression may be very important to have. So next we have y squared plus 16z squared. So here you have y squared plus 4z all squared. So that means you are going to have y plus 4z squared minus 2 times y into 4z, and that is equal to y. Okay, let me still bring it down this way. So now this is equal to y plus 4z all squared minus 2 times y times 4z, that's 8yz. And that goes. So if you want to do that for the next one, how do you go? 196l squared plus m squared. How do you treat that? What is the result for this? Okay, so try that out and let's see. So for more mental matrix like this, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and so that you can always get the any video that is released on this channel. Till I come your way again, have a great time. Bye.